Mother No Bake cookies, and freshly made. My wife had one. She loved it. I didn't try it yet because I'm still trying to stay away from sugar. But I do have our good friend Mark here who's willing to try it. And this is Mark, and he's going to give it a go.
I'm trying to stay away from sugar also, but I'm going for it.
Okay. Let's see what Mark says.
So good. It's delicious. There ought to be a law against it. It's so good.
So these were customer tasted, and this is just a throw together recipe, and you can see the recipe as I made it. So give it a try. Check it out. Thanks.
So good.